Hi everyone. Good evening. Currently it's 2:42 a.m. and I only have a solar light as our light kasi kasi wala kaming kuryente. Parang nag-practice na kami sa in case of rotational brownout. So, to be honest, I can't sleep. Kailan ko kay wala ko kabalong si may tabo. Tapos napay war. And right now, our only means kay aside sa Airbnb kay TikTok affiliate. So, sa kuna na ako biskan I'm the type of person na gusto na ko low-key lang. Mauna dili ko gusto ang mga tao makabalo kung sa akong hustle. Pero this time dili na pwede ding ulaw-ulaw kay na-learn mo na ko na ang ulaw pride daw na. So dili na gid pwede ang pride ipairal sa panahon karon. And last Feb was my birthday and ang most na nag-wish ako family sa ako is to be true to myself. And despite ani ako ang gusto na mahimong low-key. Pero I just want to be true to myself. Kaya sometimes, maira lang ang kanang pride nato na maulaw. Because, hadlok ta ma-judge. Hadlok ta ingnan sa umang tao, bitaw. Hala na, unsa naman na siya, anak good. But, I am reminded just tonight di ko katulog thinking ba I'm reminded of who I am. So I am Shekinah. That means God's glory. And mag-glorify ba ang Ginoo sa akong pride? So I decided na why not wala ko akong pride, wala ko akong kaulaw. Kunya, mag-start akong karang sell sa social media. So, naala ko kanang marag private na page ba naghimo og never ko ga-post ako ang personal page. Ano ko na ako yung mga friends dito, na ako yung mga family dito, na ako yung mga na ako yung community na naga-trust dito sa kuha. So, ako na-build na group sa social media. So, unlike this TikTok, build pa lang ko, anak good. So, ako, why not na mag-start na po ko sa, pero na po ko ba, kanang usay, mabirarata sa tong fear lagi na ma-judge. But, right now, it's time for me to be true to myself kay kanang dapat dili na ko mag-isip sa ibang tao, but kanang maging true lang ko sa akong self. Like, okay, if they don't like me, it's okay. But my goal is not to glorify them, but glorify God through my actions. So as long as I'm fulfilling God's will bitaw sa kuha, that is to flourish, that is to be His glory. To be who I am, to be who I truly am. So that's it. Nakahilak mo ko siguro because of the mixed piled up na emotions sa heart, but ako naman na nag-cry na ako for help. I don't know how to express it in words, pero parang mutulo na ang luha. But in this time of crisis, murag kanang all we can do is yun, kanang surrender everything to God. And yeah, my hope is kanang we all win in life. We all have kanang different kanang ways bitaw to cope up with things. And we all have different dreams. We all have different mindsets towards things, and all I want is just kanang simple lang yun na life, and kanang simple life, and kanang low-key lang utat na life. Pero I think happy ko sa akong kinahimo, and dapat mao na to ang nagahinder sa kuang pag flourish bitaw, kay kanang maulawon kayo ko. And pagiging maulawon is just pride, and pride cannot lead us anywhere. So this time I have to be brave enough to conquer that, and I just have to be true to myself. So if you're seeing this is a reminder for you to be brave, and lean not on your own understanding, but trust in the Lord na He will really guide us to anywhere. Just know who you are. Mao nang wish sa family sa kuha. Just be reminded of who you are, and I am Shekinah. I am God's glory. And yeah, so I should remove the pride and glorify God in everything I do. So yun lang. I hope we all win in life, and laban. Yun lang. Good night, and expect na mo magbaha na gini ang feed sa akong pamaligya. Yeah. Yun lang. Gusto na ko kanang talk bitaw na kanang this is it, mag-start ako. And I hope na lively unta ang ako ang opening message, pero I want it to be genuine as possible. So okay lang ni i-post gyapon ako ni, wala na nako akong pride, so biskan nakahila ko karon i-post gyapon ni. So thank you everyone for listening, and for nakaabot mo hantod mo human ni akong video. So God bless you, and yun lang. Good night.